Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Ayla, also known as AKA. Welcome. Today I'm doing a styling video for you, which will be styling my coats and jackets. And I think I have about 5 or 6, so it's not too many, but certainly a good amount to get me through this London winter. And I'm not going to be talking throughout the video, I'm just going to show you how I style each one, so please enjoy. So that brings me to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the styling, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!